Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to find the x and y intercepts of an equation. To find the x-intercept, what you need to do is set y equal to 0. So we're going to take this equation that we have here and replace y with 0. So we know that 3 times 0 is 0, so this goes away. And we're left with 2x is equal to 6. Now we have to solve for x. So we're going to divide by 2 on both sides. The 2's cancel out, and we're left with x is equal to 3. So our x-intercept would then be 3, 0. And now that we have our x-intercept, we can plot this point on the graph. So 3, 0 is located right here. Okay, so let's find the y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, you would want to set x equal to 0. So we're going to take this equation here. We're going to replace x with 0 plus 3y is equal to 6. So we know that 2 times 0 is 0, so this goes away. And we're left with 3y is equal to 6. Now we want to solve for y. So we're going to divide by 3 on both sides. 3's will cancel out. And we're left with y is equal to 2. So that means that our y-intercept would be 0, 2. So now that we have our y-intercept, we can plot this point in our graph. So 0, 2 is located over here. And remember that a line requires only 2 points. So now that we have 2 points, we can just connect them and create a line.